Okay, here we go.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus Snape, Snape,
Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus
Harry Potter! That's me!
Snape,
Harry!
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 Snape,
Harry! Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape,
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb! Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldy, Voldy, Voldy.